Happy Pancake Tuesday, everyone! This year, Christmas Eve falls on a Tuesday, so we are going to be making gingerbread pancakes. We're going to start with a half cup of all-purpose flour and then do a half cup of rye flour as well. And this is going to help bring out some of the spices. For the spices, we're going to be putting in our classic gingerbread mix, which is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half teaspoon of cloves. If you have allspice, that can be used to substitute almost everything, but you might want to add a little bit more cinnamon and some ginger. You're going to mix all that together and it's going to be perfectly mixed. All the spices are going to be evenly throughout your mix, and we're going to start on the wet ingredients. On this side, we are going to start with 3/4 cup of whatever milk you'd like. I always like to use cashew milk, but I often use almond. I don't often use normal cow's milk, though I have a feeling that would taste a little bit better in pancakes. Next, we're going to add in our brown sugar. Brown sugar, it's essential you add it to your liquids because it's going to dissolve really, really nicely and be a lot more even in your pancake mix. Next, this is the gingerbread twist. We're adding in 1/4 cup of molasses or golden corn syrup. Golden corn syrup actually has molasses in it, so either one is perfect for this mix. Then, of course, we're going to add our egg, which you can substitute or completely omit if you'd like. And then 1 tablespoon of oil. I use sunflower oil. Just anything that is completely flavorless will be perfect for these pancakes. Now, this is going to feel really weird to mix because there are some heavier ingredients in this liquid mixture that you're not used to. So give it a good mix. It might take a little longer than you think to get everything fully incorporated, but once you're done, you're going to add in the dry ingredients. As usual, it is essential that you add the dry to the wet so that when you're mixing, you don't have any leftover flour clumps at the bottom of your bowl. Mix it really well. We're going to want to get a nice smooth batter. And once it's perfectly smooth, we're going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After cleaning a messy workstation, we are going to preheat our pan at medium. I do 3 out of 5 on my griddle, and we're going to put our pancakes on. These are going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. They're very, very fluffy, especially when you flip them. So it won't take very long to cook at all. After you flip them, you're going to cook for another minute, and then they're good to take right off the pan and put straight onto your plate. And there we have it. Gingerbread holiday pancakes, perfect for this Christmas Eve. Top with whipped cream, maple syrup, and enjoy.